Apple has just released the brand new iPhone SE, and now let's check out some cool features of the brand new iPhone. Let's get started. Firstly, let's talk about the design of the phone. The design of the phone is basically identical to the Apple iPhone 8. That means you're going to get a Touch ID, wireless charging, and a single camera. It basically comes with three color options, that is white, black, and red, with IP67 water resistance as well. And the display is 4.7 inches Retina display with 326 ppi, which is similar to the Apple iPhone 11. First of all, both iPhones XR and 11 are the most self-selling phones in 2019. The reason behind this is that they are the cheapest phones you can get in the market, with the best processor and camera as well. Now iPhone XE comes with only $399 with the best camera and processor. Camera is basically same as the iPhone 11 with the next generation HDR photos, and you can also use portrait on both front and back cameras as well with all the new features, and it does allow you to shoot 4K videos. This is the best phone for the users who love the Touch ID with all new features like best processor and the camera as well.